Greetings to everyone on YouTube. I know it's been a while, but I've been busy with stuff here and there. Well, here's my first video for a new channel called Lakewood Fan Company Tribute Channel, which is run by fellow YouTube user, the Fan Mower Man. And to start off, we have my very first Lakewood box fan, as well as the fan to start off my collection. This is a 1975 Lakewood / Kmart model K-223 box fan. I got this from a fellow YouTube user, Eric92DA, back in summer of '09. This was a great start to my collection, especially considering it has my favorite Lakewood plastic blade set of all time. And we'll have a little look around at it, then we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's kind of this is an older one, so it's a different shade of blue than those from like the late 70s and early 80s. Other side. Here's the back. And this is one of two Lakewood box fans I have that uses a Westinghouse motor. So I guess you pretty much call this a K-223W. The motor in this fan is from November of '75, since it has a date code of L75. Here's a view of the top. It's the speed selector and sticker. This one does have some, this one does have some character to it too. It's got some paint scratches here and in other places. And can't see it, but it does have some rust in the bottom, but it's not very bad. There's Henry. Here. So I guess we'll go ahead and fire this up. Here's high. Yeah, this is one of those high RPM motors. Low's like medium, medium's like high, and high's like super. Medium, which is like high normally is, and low, which is more like medium. Back to high. And off. And that's my 1975 Kmart, aka Lakewood K-223 box fan. Thank you for watching.